completer. I could add a completer to the text thing. That might be good. So if I go here, I can add a completer to this so that it fills it in with some examples of what you could put in. And then it could put one of them in. Yeah, let's do that. That's an easier thing to do. That would also be helpful. So I need to do completer. Do I have any completers around? I think I do have some completers around. Oh yeah, I've got loads. I've already got one. Apparently I've already got a completer here. Oh wait, that's a different place. No, this is right. So I already have a completer. Where does it get the data from? Path model. So it's a string list model that gets filled in from where? Oh, from the mount points. So that should do something already. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, so it does. I do actually have a completer already, but that's just the directories. That's given me files. I don't really want to replace the files though. I don't know why the completer would have files in there. Interesting. I only want child folders. I don't want child files. I mean, it's not a big deal. Again, it could be so much nicer if I just did little things differently, but it's actually quite a lot of work to redo the protocol or to create another. It would take me like half an hour to add stuff to the protocol's a little bit. I mean, it's fine to do, but is it really worth it to do it? I don't know. If I'm going to spend an hour or two making changes, I want it to be significant, that it's easier to set up, not just, Maybe that's what I should do, is just make it a little bit better. Just, Yeah, I got it. This haircut was free today. My cousin, I went over for some food with my cousin, and they just got the clippers out and started snipping. What do I do? Ah, damn it. I'm so annoyed. Maybe I just... maybe I just need to write down all of the possible things I should do. Alright, so put the free space in here. That would be good. Not include files in the completer, because that at the moment has files in it. I don't like it. Yeah, Yeah, maybe if I had some Adderall. I've heard that you can buy quite a lot, like, really dubious drugs online. I'm not sure I should be recommending that. Oh, look at the window, fits like perfectly into that blue square. That's pretty silly. What else? What else could I add to this window to make it easier and better? So the completer could have every mount point with file.dat from startup. So the initial completer would have three at least on this machine. Adderall. How much is Adderall? I better not start browsing the dark web on Twitch. I'm pretty sure they wouldn't like that. How is the crypto doing? Shit, I imagine. Let's see how much money I've lost. Ah, copious amounts. Excellent. Alright, that's three things I could do. Each one of them is... Right, well, let's start with the easiest one. Let's do the easiest one, which is on startup, or at least not on startup. When this window is created, it goes through the mount points and adds... Yeah, the mount point isn't shown. Mount point's only Linux relevant. But then strings, what we can do is we can do plus file.dat. If I... Is there like separator or preferred separator? Can I do that? Does that work? Value type? I don't know what value type is. Is it std string? I'm going to try it. Do you think that builds? IntelliSense doesn't seem to mind. Oh wait, that's also... that's going to be a std string. I don't know what path impl type value type is. Impl value type. 92U. What's ASCII table 90? I'm guessing that's like / or something. ASCII table 92. Yeah, it's a backslash actually. That's the preferred separator. Cool. Well, it builds. All right, let's see if that looks good. And that would be the first easy improvement. A really easy one. Excuse me. Then we can reconnect. We go yes. Is there a way to go? Ah, I see it's got double actually. I don't want double. So actually I don't even need the preferred separator. Alright. Okay, that's one very, very small improvement. Then I think what I want to do is add a boolean to the completer. Get the child. Here. I want to not get files. How do I keep not shutting down the software properly. So if I go D, yeah, C, yeah, it puts it in there, which is nice. Very slightly nicer. We should also do it if... Yeah, that's fine. So I think what I do is I add a boolean to this, and that'll be false. Right. Do you think you'll implement that dynamic theme changing feature for the login screen? Dynamic theme changing. Dynamic theme change. I mean, the theme used to be able to change a while ago between no theme, which was like default Windows 95 look, and having a theme. But now the software is only theme. You have to have a theme, or the theme. There is only one. It ended up. Oh right, sorry. Yeah, now I remember. No, I didn't implement that. Although it's on the list. It's nice. I think the Monocle logo could have like a little Santa hat. I could do that. But I think I can wait a version. It's on the list of things. Right, so I'm going to add a boolean to this to not do files. That's the first thing. And then I also want to get the free space on roots. So this, wherever it is, where is it? Yeah, this, I want it to be actually using a different function if it supports it. So if the server version is of a particular version, then it would have to be in a patch. I'm not going to implement a dynamic thing that I have like a central hub where I can change everyone's theme. That'd be a lot of work. Doable, but not something I intend to do soon. That would be the very final feature that Monocle ever sees. Once everything else is done in the universe. Yeah, so the other thing I'm going to do is that the top level will use a different request. So that's two different things I've got to do. That's two relatively small improvements for quite a lot of work. That would probably take me an hour and a half, I think. But I can do them. So let me think. Is there anything else I could do? Because if I can line up the things I'm going to do, then it might mean I don't have to duplicate work. So what else should I do? I'd like it so that when you have a path in here, let's say you do, I don't know, this, whatever. Oof, yeah, that's not good. That's actually a bug. That is not what it should look like. Alright, well, let's add that to the list of things to fix. Yeah, I think you're right. I'll just change it. Because that's like with VLC. I think in VLC you can change the time to December and you get a little hat on the traffic cone. So selecting actually, yeah, that's a total fuck up here. Because if I select that, that isn't. Yeesh. Yeah, this isn't good. This is wrong. There's no indication whether it's a file or a folder. It doesn't know. Oh wait, this needs to be improved a lot. Oh my god, now there's bugs too. Why do I find bugs? And this is silly. I should be doing it. Oh no, I do need to do that. Oh god, I'm finding bugs now. I can't be bothered to fix them. Gotta fix the bugs. Fucking bugs. Can I just play Factorio? Selecting a file in the browse file window fails because it doesn't know if it is a file. Ah, but it's like I'm looking at the future of. No, I need to fix the bugs, but I also want to do features. I don't know. All right, let's fix the bugs first. That's the most important thing. So the reason is. Right, okay, so it's really not doing this well at all. Shapes. No, I've never, or shapes. I've never tried that. Shapes.